The purpose of the Tools in Data Science course is to teach you tools that apply specific techniques like data transformation, classification, visualization, deployment, and so on. But the thing is, learning a tool is not enough. We need to know when to apply which tool, what could go wrong, and these are things that interviewers are looking for. So when you start the job process, you'll often hear the feedback, look, you know the fundamentals, but how good are you at problem solving? And to tackle that problem, we're introducing non-graded activities as part of the Tools in Data Science course. As the name suggests, there are no grades for this, but we will provide feedback and your peers will be able to provide feedback as well. These activities will take up open-ended problems. So, for example, take US Senate voting data and explain which senator is least aligned to their own party. So this will involve the entire gamut of sourcing the data, transforming the data, analyzing the data, visualizing the data, deploying the solution. And you can do this by picking your tools. As a non-programmer, you may say, I want to do this end-to-end with Excel, or as a developer, you may say, I want to deploy this as a Python application on HTML. And in the process, you learn what tools to apply when, which is critical. You'll learn what kinds of problems come up and we'll be able to talk about this. And hopefully, we believe this will make you more prepared for your interviews and your career, not just by learning what the tools can do, but also learning when to use which tool and what challenges you will face in the process.